Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create beautiful mockups for your products, your apparels, and different type of content that you want to make, and how you can create these mockups for absolutely no price. How you can generate the mockups for free. So we're going to use two services. The first one is this website called Moki, and the second one is the Smart Mockups. Both of these websites allows you to create beautiful mockups, and while the Moki here is absolutely free, the Smart Mockups has a lot of free templates, right? So you can use these ones for free, while this one, the Pro ones, you will need a premium plan, which is also very cheap. So let's look at how you can create the mockups using this website, the Mocky. So first of all, you have to add a design. So let's open any design, and it will create the preview of all the images, right? So for example, this one right here. Although it's not the best image for this type of mockup, like this one is really good for sports. You can click on it and it will create the mockup. Now you can change the size, the color of the t-shirt, and you can also add the background if you want. Okay, so this is the mockup, and these are other templates that you can use. And once you are done with this, simply hit the download, sign up to this website, and you can download and use this mockup for free. So you can use all of these templates for free. There is no restrictions or on the price or the license. So yeah, you can use all these templates. So they have different categories, all these categories here, and like beanie, business cards, ID cards, gaming pads, and other essential mockups. You can get them all. They have phones and laptops as well. So this website actually uses Google AdSense for revenue instead of pricing plan, which is a really smart move as well. Um, this one right here is another platform, the Smart Mockups. Although this will shut down in September, but up until that point, you can use this. So you can upload the image. Let's upload this one and customize the image however you want. So you can set the color schemes, and you can also choose the color of the sweatshirt, you know, and then download the mockup. So for the free plan, you will get the medium quality, but I think it's good because for most websites, 1,000 by 1,000 is the default size of the products. So yeah, this will work. But this one right here, the Mocky.ai, is a really good website to create free mockups for your products, your content, and anything you are working. So yeah, that's how you create the free mockups. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.